Hello, today we are going to discuss periodic table quick learning. There are some important features of periodic table. These are groups and period. The vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups. The vertical columns are from top to bottom. These vertical columns are by number 18. While the horizontal rows, which are from left to right, these horizontal rows are period, and there are 7 period, 18 groups and 7 period. These 18 groups in the periodic table are subdivided into two main categories, A category and B category. From group 1 to 8, or we can say that A includes 8 groups, while B category can include 10 groups. 8 plus 10, total are 18 groups. While there are 7 periods, period number 1 starts from hydrogen to helium. There are 2 elements in period number 1, while the period number 2 contain starting from lithium to neon. And these are 8 elements. Period number 3 contain again 8 elements starting from sodium to argon. Period number 4 contain these 18 elements starting from potassium towards krypton. Period number 5 contain again 18 elements from rubidium to xenon. Period number 6 contain cesium to radon. There is a blank which is lanthanide series. These 14 elements are at the bottom of the periodic table. Total there are 32 elements in period number 6, while period number 7 again contain a space which contain actinum, and elements onward from actinum are placed at the very bottom of the periodic table, and this series is called actinide series. But period number 7 contain more elements yet to be discovered. So we can say that period number 7 is incomplete period. The shortest period is period number 1, period number 2 and 3 are normal period, period number 4 and 5 are longer period, while period number 6 is longest period, period number 7 is incomplete period. Next, group number 1. Group number 1 contain hydrogen to francium. This is alkali metals group. Group 2 contain from beryllium toward radium, beryllium toward radium, and group number 13 include boron to nihonium. Group 14 include carbon to flerovium. Group 15 include nitrogen to moscovium. Group number 16 include oxygen to livermorium. Group 17 or group 7A include fluorine toward tennessine, while group 18 or 8A or 0 group include helium to oganesson. Now I have a trick to learn this periodic table in few minutes, especially for those students who know Urdu very well. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. हाली ने की रब से फरियाद, हाली ने की रब से फरियाद. Group 2, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. बीमज का सर बड़ा, बीमज का सर बड़ा. Group 13 or group 3A, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, nihonium. बाल घने and tall नहीं. Carbon family 14 or 4A, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, flerovium. सस्सी गई सिंध पंजाब फ्लाइट से। सस्सी गई सिंध पंजाब फ्लाइट से। 15A, 5A or 15, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth and moscovium. नवीद परवेज असलम सब भाई मस्कत। नवीद परवेज असलम सब भाई मस्कत। 16 और 6A chalcogen group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, livermorium. O sasite punnu's love. O sasite punnu's love. Actually, Sassi and Punnus are just like Hydrangea, Romeo, Juliet. Next, group 17 or group 7A, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, tennessine. फ्लोरीन फरजाना कल बाजार आई अटक तांगे से। फरजाना कल बाजार आई अटक तांगे से। Next, 0 group or 18 group or 8A group, noble gases. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, oganesson. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and oganesson. You can learn it. है नई औरत कायनात से रंगीन ओजी। है नई औरत कायनात से रंगीन ओजी। So, I am repeating. हाली ने की रब से फरियाद, बीमच का सर बड़ा, बाल घने एंड टॉल नहीं। सस्सी गई सिंध पंजाब फ्लाइट से। नवीद परवेज असलम सब भाई मस्कत। ओ सस्सी ते पुन्नूज लव। फरजाना कल बाजार आई अटक से टांगे से। है नहीं औरत रंग है नहीं कायनात है नहीं औरत कायनात से रंगीन ओ जी। Next, we have discussed the two very important features of periodic table, groups and period. The vertical columns from top to bottom are called groups. Total there are 18 groups into two main categories, A and B. A were having 8 groups, B were having 10 groups. So the total groups are 18. While the horizontal rows from left to right across the periodic table are period, shown with Arabic numeral 1 to 7. Period number 1 is the shortest period and it includes 2 elements, hydrogen to helium. Period number 2 contain 8 elements from lithium to neon. It is normal period. Period number 3 contain again 8 elements from sodium to argon. It is also normal period. While period number 4 is longer period. It includes 18 elements starting from potassium to krypton. Period number 5 contain 18 elements starting from rubidium to xenon. It is also long period, while the period 6 is longest period. It includes 32 elements, including lanthanide series, which is at the bottom of the periodic table. Few elements of period number 6 include F block elements, cesium to radon, while the period 7 include elements from francium, and newly updated periodic table has element oganesson. We can say that period 7 is incomplete period. Thank you.